Akita here, so welcome to the VR Tech channel. So V72, the newest update for the MetaQuest 2, MetaQuest 3, MetaQuest 3S, and MetaQuest Pro just arrived today, bringing with it many new exciting features and also improvements, like the Windows 11 integration, the new hand tracking, and keyboard cutouts. But there's more, and yeah, this is a big one. So well, as always, let's cover it together in this video. Let's get into it. But first of all, this video is sponsored by VeryEvilShadow. These are prescription lenses tailor-made for the MetaQuest 2, MetaQuest 3, MetaQuest 3S. They correct astigmatism, farsightedness, myopia, and you can actually load your own prescription and receive the correct ones when you need them. But if you don't need them, there's also the option to have the blue light filters for your headset. They also have a magnetic attachment, so you're gonna be able to swap them in and out when you need to. We're getting close to Christmas, so they're gonna have a big Christmas sale, so check VR-Wave.store for the offer and also the 50% off for the new accessory, this strap, when buying the lenses. But yeah, thanks VeryEvilShadow for sponsoring this video. Let's get to the update. Alright, here we are. So V72 is actually arriving on a stable version, so no PTC, public test channel, needed this time. And that means that you're gonna get all the features right away. Right, Meta? Not really, as always, you may get V72, but things will just roll out gradually. Maybe you get the new menu and not the new hand tracking, and that's exactly what happened to me. I didn't get any. But let's go through the update. Hand tracking 2.3. So with V72, there's gonna be improvements in the hand tracking to actually control our headset over the next few weeks. I told you, bringing enhanced stability, improved accuracy, and lower latency. We actually have some examples of this with a comparison between the hand tracking 2.2 and the 2.3, and you can tell that it's or faster or there's a better predictions for the movement of your hands. What they're changing is that they're making the hand cursor more stable and responsive when navigating the universal menu. So that means that they're gonna stabilize the cursor while pinching, so no more like aim, pinch, and select the thing right under it. They're improving the responsiveness and the stability of the pinch and drag interaction, for example when dragging a browser tab, and I have to say that I did notice improvements in that. Maybe it's even too fast right now. I think that some fine-tuning is still needed, but having acceleration and velocity is very nice indeed, very reminiscent of what we have on the phones. They make it easier to use hand tracking in confined spaces, like, you know, when you use in travel mode on the plane, and they're adding a new hand ray visualization to help with locating and targeting the cursor. With also some improvement to the hand stealing when, you know, the headset gets confused when you have more people around and gets a hand tracking from another person, not directly from your hands. That is useful. So yeah, they're still improving in tracking to actually make it more usable to browse the menus and everything. But seeing this lower latency, I would really love to see a cutout like it happens on the Apple Vision Pro, for example, always seeing your hands in pass-through mode. It doesn't need to be perfect, Meta, it's not even perfect on the Apple Vision Pro, but it gives much more immersion and also much easier to actually select things or write on a keyboard because it's actually your hands. Think about it. Pass-through cutout for any keyboard. This was actually supposed to arrive with V71, but didn't arrive. And it gives you the ability to actually see a cutout for any keyboards that you have in front, even if it's not directly connected to your headset. This is very useful when streaming your PC to the Quest, as we're gonna see in the next part of the video. It is also pretty nice because it's completely platform agnostic, so it's not like in the Apple Vision Pro where you can use just the Apple keyboard, but here you can use any keyboard, even, as we said, if it's not connected directly to your headset. So yeah, super useful. So you can know where you're tapping all the time. And this is of course pretty cool for the experimental Windows 11 integration. This is a new feature that was actually unveiled during Microsoft Ignite, and it's actually finally here. You can actually download the app from the App Store directly, and then you're gonna need an app on PC for mixed reality. That name hurts, Microsoft. You know why. And with that, you're gonna be able to connect your PC and control your PC directly from your headset with a maximum of 3 different screens. By the way, right now the resolution is limited to 1080p every screen for a maximum of 3, and they're working to have a better resolution in the future. I hope it's gonna happen because 1080p is a bit on my lower hand. But yeah, overall it's pretty cool. The connectivity will actually appear on top of your keyboard, so you click there and like on the Apple Vision Pro, like you get in your Windows experience. And yeah, everything feels very seamless. By the way, it still requires a local network to actually use it, so you cannot connect from another place on Earth. But yeah, it's very nice, it's very clean, it feels very native, and it works. And it's weird to say it from something from Microsoft. Going back to Quest, we have a new media gallery app, and this will give you access to any video, spatial or regular photo, screenshots, and recording from your Quest directly. What we noticed right away is the new design queue for all these new apps on the Quest. That is very similar to what we had on Apple Vision Pro. By the way, I'm mentioning that thing very often in this video. I do really like the design, but I think that is a bit confusing with the half of the UI is still on the older version. But hey, I don't have it yet, so who cares? They added automatic call captions, so you're gonna have a live transcript of what the other person actually is saying during the calls that you have. That is pretty neat, and hopefully they're gonna support translation as well. There's a new travel mode indicator, so it's gonna be apparent when you actually selected travel mode, something that before wasn't, and maybe the tracking was working a bit wonky and you didn't know why. Check if you have travel mode on. And also frictionless home environment. So what was happening before, when you turned on your Quest 3, you will get right away in the pass-through, and when selecting the immersive mode, you were prompted with confirming your boundaries. Now this thing should not happen anymore, and actually should happen when you start an app that actually uses the boundary system, but it should be more a confirmation of the fact that it's gonna use the boundary and not actually go in the part of a system where you see the boundaries and everything, to make the experience a bit more seamless. Also, the latest part, if it interests you, Instagram is gonna get direct messages also on your Quest 3, Quest 3S and everything, so you're gonna be able to start your reels and stuff like that. So if you use Instagram, it's getting better, more like a native version of your phone. So yeah, more messaging. But anyways, here we have it, guys. This was v72 for the MetaQuest 3, MetaQuest 2, MetaQuest Pro, and MetaQuest 3S. And I think that is a very good one indeed. Mostly for the new integration with Windows 11, I was really looking forward to seeing that one arriving, and arrive much faster than what I was expecting. I'm still not sure if I will ever able to actually use the Quest 3 as a productivity headset. The resolution is high, but not high enough for me. But let me know, are you actually using it for it? Hopefully they're gonna be able to up the resolution of those panels, because 3 screens is very good and very nice indeed. But yeah, the resolution is still a limit. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And as always, guys, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more of VR tech. If you really love the channel, join button on there. Little on further, also the Patreon. Thanks for the patrons who join the channel, of course. And I see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.